Breaking news, ladies and gentlemen. The Lasco founder, Lascelles Chin, has died in the United States, ladies and gentlemen. It's a breaking news. Greetings and salutations, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for tuning in to Deep Roots TV. The private sector organizations of Jamaica is mourning an entrepreneur, a pillar in the business. Ladies and gentlemen, the professional world of Jamaica is saddened by the loss of Lascelles Chin. Chin, the founder of the Lasco group of companies, died in the United States on Saturday night. Its release Sunday, the PSOJ said Chin dedicated his entire life to establishing an extraordinary entrepreneurial and philanthropy legacy that spans over 6 decades. His unparalleled business acumen and trailblazing spirit were evidence across multiple sectors, including manufacture, financial services, pharmaceutical, and data processing. It added, reflecting on the remarkable career. The PSOJ said that it is a great pride to commemorate the life of a true titan of a business whose selflessness service tribute to immense of the increase of the economy of Jamaica and its development. His outstanding achievement, including his introduction into the PSOJ Hall of Fame in 2011, were duly recognized. The organization said Mr. Lascelles Chin stood as an expendatory and extraordinary role model within Jamaica's business community, building an iconic brand that not only created thousands of jobs opportunity for Jamaicans, but also providing cost-effective, high-value goods and service through Lasco manufacturing distribution and the financial services. With an immense commitment to the corporate social responsibility, Mr. Lascelles Chin made an individual invulnerable contribution through its character and charities. The Lascelles Chin Foundation, the foundation contributes significantly to law enforcement, education, medical professions, at-risk youths, sports education, health, and environmental sustainability, the PSOJ said. The distinguished service of many civil servants has been encouraged and encounters recognized and celebrated through the annual Lasco Award for teachers, principal, nurse, and for police, and for Police of the Year. With the passing of Lascelles Chin, our nation has lost a patriot who generally shared his knowledge and his expertise to drive the country's progress, the PSOJ said, adding his passing is a great loss. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari Soldier here of Deep Roots TV. I want to thank Lascelles Chin for saving enough Jamaicans' life. Because if it's not for the Chinese, I don't know what we would do in today's light. The Chinese have brought a lot of improvement to our country, from the road to the food, hardware, all of the farming material, equipment. Me I talk about, big up yourself, Mr. Chin and Mrs. Chin. Jamaica love you. Although you bring a lot of bootleg things. I'm Rastafari Soldier, ladies and gentlemen. Here I'm grieving with the country because a pioneer, a column, a giant in the business sector. I'm here along with the PSOJ, the private sector organization of Jamaica, saying that there's profound sadness today in Jamaica because we have lost one of our Chinese friends. We have lost Lascelles Chin, the founder of the Lasco group of companies. ladies and gentlemen, go ahead and leave your comment. Share the content for me. I'm Rastafari Soldier. If this is your first time tuning in to The Approach TV, subscribe, like, and share. Help me build up the Rastaman panel. Yeah, join the Rastaman channel. It's free. Just hit that red subscribe button and leave your comment. Share the content for me. It's more life, it's more joy, and it's more nappiness. Yeah, that's what I'm wishing you. So people, stay blessed. I am fresh from yard. So guess what? I am going to be reporting some things from up abroad. Unfortunately, it is Jamaica's finest, one of the most recognized business in the country. The island, the founder of Lasco, has passed away, ladies and gentlemen, in the United States of America. Hit that red subscribe button. Yeah.
Hello, my name is Ashina and welcome to Deep Roots TV. Pick up Deep Roots TV. Respect, make sure to tune in the year every time.
Last guy gone out, you know. Subscribe for my family. And I know me how to touch a squash story. Give me a second. You agante. Just forward from Jamaica. Bless up on yourself, family and friends. R.I.P. Lascelles. Jah know you did a good job. You know, so you're gone to heaven, you not touch hell. Big up all the Chinese them. Where I feed me island. If I never you whole heap of Jamaican would suffer from malnutrition. More life, yeah, more joy. Big up every little girl and boy.